Hi, we're Carly and Jason, college planners for Community America Credit Union. With college costs skyrocketing, families increasingly look toward scholarships to help fill the funding gap. College scholarships and grants primarily come from three places: the government, the colleges themselves, and private sources. The government may provide free money for college through the Free Application for Federal Student Aid, or the FAFSA.
Colleges are one of the largest sources of scholarships. For academic scholarships, institutions primarily look at three factors: grade point average, or GPA, class rank, and standardized test scores on the SAT or ACT. For this reason, it's important to keep your numbers in these three areas as high as possible. Of course, scholarships are also given to other activities, involvements, and associations. For instance, students get a scholarship for playing sports or because their parents are alumni. For the best chance to win these scholarships, make sure you meet the requirements and submit your applications by the school's priority deadlines.
Private scholarships are a third way to get free money for college. Many websites like College Board's Big Future, FastWeb, Peterson's, and CapEx compile millions of private scholarship opportunities in one place. I would encourage you to set up a profile on one of these sites and review your scholarship matches. The earlier you set up an account, the better, as you will have more time to prepare to meet requirements and deadlines.
Want to learn more about free money for college? Contact one of our college and career planners today.